In this video, let's talk about Jsfiddle and how do you use it. So Jsfiddle is an online code editor that lets you write and test HTML, CSS, JavaScript code in real time. Especially useful for quick prototyping, sharing code snippets, or testing front-end functionality. If you're just getting started to Jsfiddle, visit Jsfiddle website, and when you're starting out, you need to understand the layout. So you will see four main panels, which is HTML for your markup, CSS, JavaScript for scripting, and result displays the output. You can toggle or resize each panel as needed. Here's a basic example for you. When using external libraries, click on Settings gear icon on the JavaScript or CSS panel and add libraries like Query, Bootstrap, Vue, React, or etc. For jQuery, click the GS panel settings, search and add jQuery. Then you can write jQuery like this. Then saving and sharing. Click Save to get a unique URL. Share the link with others for collaboration or demonstrations. Here's a quick tips for you. Use keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Enter to run the code. You can fork a fiddle to create a new version without overwriting the original. Logged in users can manage fiddlers in their dashboard.